Hello, this is Carol. Today I'll show you two ways of snapping one object to another based on their vert position. So first method I will show you using Vanilla Blender without any add-on. So basically we go to the snapping drop-down menu, change it to vertex, and the key is to use the active option here. Select that. And then now you go to select this object and go to edit mode, press A to select all, and then let's say I want to use this vert as the snapping point. You need to press shift to deactivate it and activate it. So now this becomes active vert. You can see now become white. And now you press G is move, and then you hold on Control. So it will temporarily trigger the snapping option. Let's say I want to do this, and then go back to optional. That's how you snap this point to this object. The second method is use add-on called Machine Tools. It's a free add-on but cover lots of useful tools. I'll put the download link in the description. I would highly recommend donate a couple bucks to support the developer, and I will have another video cover my frequent use tools, but today I just focus on the snapping aspect. So what you need to do is to select your source and then shift select your target. In order for this to work, it has to go to edit mode. So you can go to the upper left corner and then go to edit mode, or you can just press tab, and then this is the marking menu from Machine Tools, and then I will go to vert. Let's say I select the source vert, and then shift select the target vert, press Alt A, and then you can see the align object to vert function here, and just click it, and you will see it's really fast to kind of snap one object to another based on their vert position. So if you find this video helpful, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.